It's your boy Flame, and I'm back with another video. You know what it is, man. I'm doing an unboxing. An unboxing of the what? Who-wee. Ooh-wee. The DJ Khaled 5. We the best. We the best. Keep it going. Okay, you see the boxing on that. Let's take that off for you one time. Oh, there we go. You see it. You see that Jordan symbol. Look at it. All colorful and nice. You see it. Show you the side. You see it. Turn the thing around for you. We the best. You see it? I'm going to open it up for you. No, y'all ain't ready. Y'all need to... Here we go. Y'all sure y'all ready for that? Another one. Okay, now. Don't get... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Another one. Oh, my God. Woo-wee! You see it? Another one. You see it. Oh my God, look at the leather on that thing. The pink. You get 3 shoestrings. White, black. Look at the bottom of that. We the best. You see that, man. The back of that thing. Look at that. We're gonna look at the inside of it, people. You see on that? Keep. See what they say, keep. See the inside of that thing. Hold on, let's pull out the other one for you. You heard the other one said, keep. Look at the back of that. We the best. We the best. Who? We. You see that? See that thing? Look at the inside of that. Going. Keep going. Because who did? God did. We the best, man. Look at that thing in the back. See it? The regular Jordan sign on there. That leather on there. I see why DJ Khaled standing on a pillow. I see why DJ Khaled standing on a pillow. Ooh-wee. Overall, the shoe, nice shoe. You know, we the best. It's a nice shoe. But I got something to say about these 5s. DJ Khaled thought this was gonna go ridiculous. But I'm gonna say one thing. This is the top 10 shoe sneaker release of the year. Anybody wanna debate it? I'm gonna debate it. This is the top 10 sneaker shoe release of 2022. Man, comment down below, man. Comment down below. If you got these sneakers, want to debate about these sneakers, want to tell me who the top 10 sneakers, man. Come on, man. This is the top 10 sneaker of the year, man. Top 10 sneaker of the year. You see it. We the best. Who? We. Another one.